Yeah.
A very good A very good afternoon to everyone. Today we are going to conduct the activities for the District Eco Sustainable Development Goal Championship 2005 on the topic on the theme Environment and Climate Actions for the theme peer teachings on water saving nation, water saving awareness programs through posters, and lastly the curriculum integrations on waters by the students of the BSc Agri 7th semester.
Thank you, Miss. As we all know, water is a very important resource in our day-to-day life. Now it is becoming scarce due to increasing population and increasing number of industries and agricultural activities, and also due to poor rainfall. Only 1% of the fresh water available in our life, water is becoming scarce due to increasing population, increasing industries, and increasing agricultural activities, and also due to poor rainfall. Water plays a very important role in the world economy as it functions as a solvent for large number of chemical substances and facilitates industrial cooling and transportation. Only 1% of the world's fresh water is accessible to human beings out of the 3%. This highlights that though water is one of the most valuable natural resources to humanity and essential resource, its supply is limited. The main question is what is causing this water scarcity? It is mainly due to the growing population, climate change, and expansion of cities. Many areas are under water scarcity, like rivers are drying up, lakes are shrinking, and groundwater levels are declining. It is mainly changing weather patterns with more frequent floods and droughts are making it even more difficult to conserve natural resources. All these factors show how urgent it is to conserve water. Water conservation is essential for both future and current generations. By using smart ways to save water, we can ensure this essential resource is available for everyone.
189 liters, washing clothes uses an average of 30 attempts, flushing the toilet uses an average of 11 liters per person per day, and a shower uses an average of 11 liters per minute. If we can reduce the quantity of water used in mentioned activities by using the shower bar, by doing a lot of laundry in machine wash, by using the half flush function when possible, by taking short shower instead of bathtub. Small changes in daily habits can save.
Water can also be saved by selecting drought-resistant crop variety, as farmer can enhance their crop resistance for the use of water by cultivating crops that are well suited to the local climate. Drought-resistant crops are particularly advantageous as they can reduce the risk of crop failure during periods of water scarcity, improve overall yields, and enhance the economic stability for farmers.
So as we go on now, I'm going to talk about how water management also helps in saving water. Techniques such as multiple either organic or plastic and cover cropping also help retain soil water, reduce erosion, and also help improve soil health. This practices enhances the soil's ability to hold water, thereby reducing the need for frequent irrigation. Farmer can also save water by adopting water harvesting practices. These practices not only provide an alternative water source but also reduces reliance on groundwater and municipal supplies. Properly managed water storage system can enhance local water availability and improve overall water resource management. Water harvesting module is presented here in this picture. Farmer can also store or return rainwater or water in tanks or ponds for later uses. As we go on now, I'm going to talk about how soil water management also helps in saving water. Techniques such as mulching with either organic or plastic and overcropping also helps soil retain water, reduce erosion, and improve soil health. These practices also enhances the soil ability to hold water and reduces the need for frequent irrigation. This practice not only provides an alternative water source but also reduces reliance on groundwater and municipal supplies. Properly managed water storage system can enhance local water availability and improve overall water resource management. Water harvesting model is presented here in this picture. Farmer can capture or store rainwater or runoff water in tanks or ponds for later uses.
Now it's come to the conclusions. Today's from the presentations of your friends. Conclusions about the peer teaching on water safe relations by the DESC 7th semester students. And in the conclusion, I would like to now it comes to the conclusions of the peer teaching sessions on water savings, and I would like to have some short interactions with the students. So from among the students, I would like to say which kind of knowledge you have gained from today's peer teaching sessions.
Make sure the water are always on. Using water saving device. Okay, I thank the teachers and my colleagues for giving us this privilege and chance to explore ourselves deeply in what and how to save the water. So I have learned so many things through this interaction, and a few points that I have learned is that we can save water by collectively by using one course or doing together course, a daily course like washing the clothes with the maximum amount that the washing machines have allotted, and then flushing the toilets like how to save the water. And then also I would just want to add some point like when we have finished a bath or like other family course, we can save those waters and then we can further use it for gardening or any extra curricular activities. I thank you all. Thank you.
Kaganao. Kaganao. Kaganao.
2 points that I learned from today is identify leaks. 2 points that I learned from this is identify the leaks and repair them quickly. Take a short shower and instead of using the bathtub.
Today I learned to check regularly for water leakage inside and outside our house.
Today I have learned that we must regularly check for any water leakage inside and outside our house. From today's lesson, I have learned that we must check regularly for any water leakage inside and outside of our house.
Completion of the first section, that is peer teaching on water safe relations. As a continuation for today's activities, now it's come to the preparations of the poster for this water saving awareness.
Good afternoon, everybody. After successfully conducting the peer review teaching on safe water relations in District Eco SDG Champion 2025 under Environment and Climate Action, we will continue with this afternoon session with water saving awareness through posters and curriculum integration on water conservation modules. To tell you something about this water saving awareness through poster, so the participating 5 students will draw a water saving awareness poster which will contain slogans according to their choice, so that the messages carry awareness to the public and to all the student communities. This will be conducted among the students of the BSc Agriculture, and some students of BSc Forestry are also participating in this activity. Then after this, curriculum integration of water conservation modules. What the students have to do in this curriculum integration is, curriculum is something which is very broad in sense. It is different from the syllabus. Suppose, as we say in BSc agriculture, as a whole is a curriculum. What we study from first semester till 8th semester is a curriculum. But when we say that a specific subject like agronomy, fundamentals of horticulture, it comes under the syllabus. So what the students as a facilitator along with we have to do is we need to integrate, means we need to combine together all the water conservation modules. Modules are small parts which we can combine together so that we form a water conservation modules as a whole, and this will form a curriculum, which means that overall integration of the water conservation modules will be there, and this will contain all the basics of water cycling, then the laws and regulations that are contained in water cycling. This will also contain the practical application of water cycling, water recycling, the techniques for conservation of water, and they will also contain some water saving efficiency tips. So accordingly, I as a facilitator of this curriculum integration and water saving awareness through poster, we will be doing this. After this, we will see the results together. Thank you.
An average of 189 liters, washing clothes uses an average of 38 liters, flushing the toilet uses an average of 11 liters per person per day. Having an
along with topics like groundwater, recharge, rainfall, runoff dynamics, and watershed management. Techniques for conserving water. Module 4. Groundwater recharge and rainwater harvesting. The concept and practice of rainwater harvesting, including various system types and their design, as well as methods for replenishing groundwater aquifers, will be covered in this module. Water efficient irrigation. This module will deal with a number of water-saving irrigation methods, including sprinkler irrigation, drip irrigation, and water-saving irrigation schedule.
Water recycling and reuse. This lesson will deal on how less water is treated and reused, including recycling rainwater for non-potable uses like toilet, flushing, and gardening. Module 7. Soil and water conservation practices. This module will discuss the methods like mulching, terrace farming, and contour flooring that helps keep soil from eroding and preserve soil moisture. 3. Policy and management of water. Module number 8. Water demand management. This module will discuss methods for lowering water demand, such as promoting water efficient practices, encouraging industries and agriculture to use less water, and increasing public awareness of water conservation. Communities, the non-governmental organizations and governmental organizations in promoting water conservation will be covered in this module.
Number 4. Practical application and case studies. Module 11. Water conservation structure design and implementation. This module will provide practical experience hands-on in designing and putting into practice a variety of water conservation structures, including groundwater recharge structures, rainwater harvesting system, and water efficient irrigation system. Module 12. Water conservation project, monitoring and evaluation. These modules will be on how to monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of water conservation projects, including collecting, analyzing, and reporting data. Module 13. Case studies of successful water conservation initiatives. Successful water conservation initiatives from around the globe are highlighted along with the strategies and approaches approaches that made them possible in this module. 5. Engaging activities and awareness. Module 14. Water conservation activities for students. The goal of this module is to teach students about water conservation through fun and interactive activities, including games that identify lakes, water sharing, challenges, and do-it-yourself rainwater collection. Module 15. Campaign for public awareness. Strategies for increasing public awareness of water conservation through a variety of media platforms such as social media, print media, and community activities would be covered in this module.
Module, along with topics like groundwater, recharge, rainfall, runoff dynamics, and watershed management. Techniques for conserving water. Module 4. Groundwater recharge and rainwater harvesting. The concept and practice of rainwater harvesting, including various system types and their design, as well as methods for replenishing groundwater aquifers, will be covered in this module. Water efficient irrigation. This module will deal with a number of water-saving irrigation methods, including sprinkler irrigation, drip irrigation, and water-saving irrigation schedule.
Water recycling and reuse. This lesson will deal on how less water is treated and reused, including recycling grey water for non-potable uses like toilet, flushing, and bathing. Module 7. Soil and water conservation practices. This module will discuss the methods like mulching, terrace farming, and contour flooring that helps keep soil from eroding and preserve soil moisture. 3. Policy and management of water. Module number 8. Water demand management. This module will discuss methods for lowering water demand, such as promoting water efficient appliances, encouraging industries and agriculture to use less water, and increasing public awareness of water conservation. Communities, the non-governmental organizations, and governmental organizations in promoting water conservation will be covered in this module.
Number 4. Practical application in case study. Module 11. Water conservation structure design and implementation. This module will provide practical experience hands-on in designing and putting into practice a variety of water conservation structures, including groundwater recharge structures, rainwater harvesting system, and water efficient irrigation system. Module 12. Water conservation project, monitoring and evaluation. This module will on how to monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of water conservation projects, including collecting, analyzing, and reporting data. Module 13. Case studies of successful water conservation initiatives. Successful water conservation initiatives from around the globe are highlighted along with the strategies and approaches that made them possible in this module. 5. Engaging activities and awareness. Module 14. Water conservation activities for students. The goal of this module is to teach students about water conservation through fun and interactive activities, including games that identify lakes, water sharing, challenges, and do-it-yourself rainwater collection. Module 15. Campaign for public awareness. Strategies for increasing public awareness of water conservation through a variety of media platforms such as social media, print media, and community activities would be covered in this module.
Good afternoon, everybody again. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm welcoming everyone again. So, yes, I had said curriculum integration of the module.